fucking pizza's repeating.
It's not stupid, this is fun. Very wise. Close range area.
Okay, if I manage to kill someone who has night vision, can I use it? This is gonna be so bad. But I did say if I kill someone. Fucking what? Have you ever tried to use a Reaper in factory? It's fucking terrible.
Probably looks a bit like how the interchange looks.
Well, your stamina runs out to start with, and it's dark as fuck.
I don't think the flare is required. It's not stupid. This is one of the quests you have to do, except you meant to put a silencer on it, aren't you?
Huh?
Yeah, I suppose. Alright, at night.
It's fucking dark. Ah. The problem is, while you're moving, there is no light. Oh fuck, yeah, I can't see. Where am I? Oh. I didn't want to go in there.
Where is this fucker going?
Oh.
Hope not.
People running.
That's not us.
Who's on the stairs? That's you. Did you fucking get him? Oh fuck, I can't see when I throw nades. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. Ah! I'm dead. Oh. Oh fuck.